Here she is, the start of Old King Cole's first birthday feast. Here's the roaster. Spent a couple of nights making it this week. Last night I started a wood fire in there and burned all the paint off of it. No time to paint her up because I gotta start cooking first thing in the morning. But she burned off pretty good. Gonna give her a quick wire brush down. Made some grates to hold the charcoal on the bottom. There's a closet shelving that I burned last night and tacked her together. That's gonna be the grate to hold the charcoal. Yeah, so I did this.
Upper lips.
Me and Nate found a bottle at the last tag we were at, and it was old. So the head comes out.
The other grandma. Oh,
Yummy.
are you sure?
He's going good for a walk.
That good, Cole? Is that good?